What's up, guys? Today we'll be checking this website out where you can make $75 for about 30 minutes of your time. And this website is called Respondent, all right? Now, before we get into how you can actually get paid through Respondent, first we'll briefly look at what Respondent even is. Respondent is a market research company where they hire people like you and me to provide our expertise or service or feedback for a third-party company as well research participants. So if we quickly look at the process of how one actually gets hired, what the client or third-party company does is they post up a project here on Respondent, and if you're chosen for it, all you got to do is participate in the method that the client wants you to do their research project. So it's either through a video call, phone call, in-person discussions, or online research, okay? And then you get paid, okay? So they've got researchers from these brands, which I'm pretty sure you would recognize most of them. They've got Dropbox, IBM, GoDaddy, Airbnb, and Microsoft. So that's pretty cool, right? All right. Now, we'll get to the part where I'll show you how you can actually get paid, which I'm assuming is the main reason why you're here, right? All right. So if we click on for respondents here, which is you, you'll see that they've made payments of about over $2 million for participating respondents. And also that the average interview length with a client is about 30 minutes. And that's what this whole video is about. It's how you can make $75 in about 30 minutes, right? So all you got to do is sign up as a respondent, which I've provided a link for in the description below with either your LinkedIn or Facebook profile, right? As you can see, you connect your LinkedIn or Facebook profile to respondent. That's completely up to you, whichever one you want. And then there are two ways that you can actually get your project, get your work, get your studies, whatever it is, right? The first way is Respondent will send you the matching studies that fit your profile, whether it's your LinkedIn or Facebook profile. And then the second way is you actually get to manually browse through whatever projects that are available for you. So once that's done, you get invited to the study. You participate in it at whatever time that you've chosen, and you get paid. Simple, right? If we look over here, right? So as an extra note, whatever you get paid, Respondent actually takes a 5% fulfillment fee off of your incentive, or $1, whichever is higher. So for example, let me bring up a calculator over here because I'm terrible at math. So assuming if you've made $75, right? 5% of that is $3.75. So that means that if you got paid $75 minus 3.7 minus the 5%, minus the 5%, you actually get paid a total of $71.25, okay? $75.25. All right, so the moment you've been waiting for, all right, here we go. Here we go. Let's check out some of the available studies right now. So as you can see, it's up $75 for 30 minutes of your time. All right, so you can actually browse through the whole page of projects. Like you got jobs where, like here, do you teach English? All right, we're working with a client who is developing materials that will aid teachers of English as a second language. If this sounds like you, apply now and you could receive $95 for your feedback. So you'll be required to have a 5-minute pre-research call. All right, this is not incentivized. So what that means is you will have to apply, right? You will have to apply for this, okay, by doing the qualifying survey here with the 7 questions. And then you will have like a 5-minute pre-call kind of thing, just so that they know that you are fit for this study, and you will not get paid for that 5-minute call, right? But once you are approved and you do this 60 minutes thingy with them for your feedback, you give feedback. I'm not sure how, but it's right. It's one-on-one, so you actually get paid $95. just in like for 60 minutes just by talking to someone, giving your feedback. All right, you have so many other jobs here, like seeking your opinion on different types of beverages, right? We are contacting you today to see if you qualify to participate in a paid online research study taking place on July 31st. Today is actually July 29th, so it's like in 2 days' time, right? So this research will be conducted online using a webcam and will take no more than 60 minutes of your time, for which you will be compensated with $60 in US dollars, okay? So all you gotta do is apply for this. You get approved and you qualify for it. You just have to talk to someone. So pretty much all you need to do is have a webcam and probably a microphone through your laptop or whatever. Spend 60 minutes, talking to someone, and then you get paid $75, or $75 minus 5%, right, of the fulfillment fee. So there's actually a lot of different jobs here. Right, a lot of studies, a lot of projects, looking after your health and getting blood tests regularly. We need you. So there you go. So like this one, this is $15. I mean, if you want, you can just do it too. I would personally suggest that you actually sign up for all of these projects, especially the ones that you feel most comfortable with, because let's take a look over. Right, like this one over here. This is hi, we're looking for articulate people who use online banking tools to invite for 45-minute one-on-one sessions to give feedback on new designs in our office in Dumbo, Brooklyn. I'm not sure what Dumbo is, but all right. So in this case, you would have to be located in Brooklyn, right? So you actually have to, let's check it out, right? You will have to qualify for it, and then actually be in the Brooklyn area. Go walk into the office, do a quick 45-minute session, and you get paid like $125. Even though this video you're watching right now is about how you can make $75 in 30 minutes, you literally have jobs where you can make $125 in 45 minutes. That's just like an extra 15 minutes, and you get $125. So you can actually filter out whether you want to do it in person or remotely, right? So remotely meaning it'll be done through your computer, through a webcam or a phone call or video call, right? So you can actually filter that out. So assuming like if I were to click on remote right now, that would have filtered out the Brooklyn one, right? Because that one you had to, let's uncheck that. Okay, we got a new one here. South African based bank looking to learn about people with school going kids. So yeah, the Brooklyn study, you would have to be there in person. So if you actually filter it out by in person, you'll see that, yeah, you need to be there, right? You need to be in London, or you need to be in Texas, whatever, in California. So if we uncheck that again and just click on remote jobs. So these are the ones that you can just do it from home, right? So that's one way you can actually find your projects. You can actually filter it out by how much. All right, I'm not sure if they have any jobs that is like within that $1,000, $900 to $1,000 range, but nope, not that I can see. The $500. There you go. Global design, seeking dentists. So if you're a dentist, global design and innovation agency looking for dental professionals to help them understand their current experience at work and how they approach the dentistry, right? So that's $500 for 90 minutes, which is not bad. Not bad at all, right? Everything, it just sounds great, right? But now there's actually a second way that you can get paid even if you don't qualify for these projects. Okay, now let's take a look over here. Okay, take this project for example. I don't know what Miele is, but there you go. I don't qualify for this. I'm not a Miele dishwasher owner, right? So assuming I know friends or family who actually is a Miele dishwasher owner, I can actually just copy this link right here, send it to them, or share it on Facebook, Messenger, LinkedIn, or email it directly to them, and I get paid $50. for each of the first 5 friends that or family that sign up using my link here, right? This link here, and then they participate in this particular mini dishwasher study, I get paid $50. Okay, but of course, take note, it's only for the first 5 participants. Anyone else after that, you will not get paid anymore. So definitely, so if you don't qualify for this, send it to someone who you think might qualify. Post it up on Facebook. Maybe, I don't know, 10 out of your 300 friends might actually know, or your 500 friends. If you have a lot of friends, even better. It's so easy to just get 5 friends, right? And that's that. So Respondent, right? Plenty of jobs here, right? So go ahead and go to this link, or just click the link in my description below. Just sign up. Oh, and also sign up for a PayPal account, because that's how Respondent will pay you. And trust me, that PayPal account is going to come in handy a lot, especially when you're trying to make money online. Okay, because a lot of platforms, they actually pay you through PayPal. All right, so sign up with the link in my description, which I'll actually get a small commission for, but you don't lose anything, you don't pay for anything or whatever. Okay, so sign up, browse through the available projects, apply for whichever ones that you're interested in, or all of it if you actually want, and see if you get anything, and just have fun doing the studies and making your money from it. So, all right, thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully you've discovered something out of it. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my channel for more future updates, and hit me up with whatever comments you have, and I'll try my best to respond to all of them. So thank you again. See you guys.